Having to sell your brand new Porsche Cayman GT4 almost as soon as you drove it home from the dealership has to be a tremendously disappointing moment in one's life, unless that someone gets very, very lucky. Just so we don't jump too far ahead with this story, we should start off by saying that you're looking at a 2016 Cayman GT4 with only 1,416 miles on board, priced at $105,000. That's $20,000 over the suggested retail price, but considering how this model isn't exactly easy to come by, potential customers would definitely jump at the chance to own one immediately. The reason why this particular GT4 is for sale is because the owner didn't fit comfortably in the sport seats, and because the dealer found him another GT4 with bucket seats, which is exactly what he was looking for. Is it great when things just work out for the best? Sure, the guy didn't actually put his car up for sale as soon as he got home from the dealership, but looking at the ad, he barely drove it anywhere and spent most of his time behind the wheel on the highway. So if you're interested or know anybody who's looking to buy a Cayman GT4 on the spot, no matter the cost, make sure to send him or her this link to the 6-Speed Online forums so that they can contact Excel Junkie. Those of you who just want to know more about the car, well, it's got an extended fuel tank, 16.81 gallons/63 liters, fire extinguisher, smoking package, black wing supports, carbon fiber trim on the center console and a leather interior with the carbon fiber interior package. The owner also specified that the car has been garaged only, never tracked, never launched, never abused, which is pretty much what you want to hear when thinking about buying a slightly used high-performance vehicle.